Do you know you can start making money on TikTok? Yes, you heard me. You can start making thousands of dollars on TikTok just by uploading your own TikTok video. I bet you 90% of TikTok users want to be paid for their content on their platform. But the sad thing is that there are some countries that are eligible, some countries are not eligible. For Africa, it's very sad. For those countries that are eligible, example, the US, France, Germany, Dubai, etc. But you don't have to be hurried for that, right? With this video, you can create your own international TikTok account without no worry. TikTok is currently paying content creators who create and upload video on their platform. Guess what? A lot of people are using this opportunity to cash out big. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you step by step how you are going to create your own international TikTok account. This is free, it's easy and simple. You don't need to pay some more. For me, I created mine a few days back, but before I dive into the video, let me give you a little bit intro about myself. Hi viewers, my name is Ibrahim Fildausba. I'm a content creator based here in West Africa, Sierra Leone. Here on my YouTube channel, I create videos related to tech vlog, chip and trick, social media growth, review on anime, review on comedy. I also make videos on how people make money online. So to create this TikTok international account, you need three things, which is you need a smartphone, irrespective of the smartphone that you are using, whether Samsung, iPhone, Techno, etc. You can also do it on your personal PC. The second thing is that is the browser and the TikTok application itself. The third thing is that the VPN, which will help you to change your region. So go now to your App Store or Play Store and download the VPN. As for me, I downloaded 3 VPN. The first one is Winscribe, the second one is Thunder, and the third one is Proton. For Winscribe, you need an email to log in before you start using it. The second one, which is Thunder and Proton, you don't need any email to log in before you start using it. As for me, I'm using Proton. So look for Play Store, click on it, type on the search bar Thunder VPN. Click on it as you are seeing it. Scroll down a little bit. Click on install. While it is installing, so let's go and watch for Winscribe and download it at the same time. Winscribe, type Winscribe VPN. Click on it, look at it there, but look at it, scroll up again. Okay, Winscribe, click on it, install. While it is installing, let's go and check if the Thunder has already completed. Go back. Okay, look for Thunder. Click on it, click agree. As I said it earlier, you don't need to link your email for you to start using it. Take note, all VPN has premium version. This is the paid version, but for this tutorial, let's try the trial version. Click on connect. You don't need to link your email as I said it earlier, but if you want, you can create an account with Thunder. Look at it there, create an account or click connect. When you click on it, immediately your region will change. Now our region has changed to Canada. Let's go and confirm if the region has changed. Go search for Google, any browser, type Google. Okay, we are on Google now. Type What is my IP address? Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, now click on it. What is my IP? Best way to check. This one. This website is the wrong one. Go behind back. Make sure you look for the right website to check your IP address. Okay. I think this one is the right one. Let's wait and see. Okay. Now the IP address has changed to Canada. Let's go and check for Winscribe. Go behind. Search for the second VPN, which is Winscribe. Wait, let's wait and see. Get started. Click on it. As I said it earlier, you can't use Winscribe without creating an email or using your existing email. Click on Play Store. Type Proton. Click on it. If you are not downloaded it already, click on download first. As for me, look at it here, Proton. Open. It's very simple and easy to use. You don't need to link any existing email or create an email before start using it. Just click connect. It's very simple and easy to use. Now my region has changed to Netherlands. As you are seeing, let's go and check. Click on Google. Let me refresh the page again. Let's wait and see. My IP address has changed. Let me create new email. Okay. Add another account. Just sign up. Use your fingerprint. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. Create for my personal use. Let's see AI. Online. Okay. Gender. Rather not to say. Okay. Gender male. Let's wait. Confirm. Okay. Let's go to browser and search for TikTok. Type TikTok. Click on the TikTok sign up. Click Sign up again. No, do not use your phone number. Use the email that you created, your existing email. As you can see, my region has already changed to my VPN. Canada is my current region. So let's use the email that we created. Here we are. Let's go. Next. Let's try to verify and let's create a password first. Let's try to verify the email. Here we are. If you want to see how you are going to add the money on your account, first thing is that you need to log into the application and click the three dot at the right top corner. Now this is our new TikTok account. Let's check for edit and see. If you want, you can edit it. Go behind, let's see. Click the three dot at the right corner. Let's check. Click for creator tools. Let's wait. I think my internet is a little bit bad. Let's wait and see. But let's wait and see. Now here we are. Note, if yours is showing just like mine here, your account is eligible to earn money. Now you are done creating your own international TikTok account. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. And if you guys are enjoying this video, please hit the like button. Mind you, there are things that you should never do. If you do, they are going to deactivate your account or ban you from using the application. 1. You should not post the old content that you already have on your former account. Second, you must not switch to business account. If you want to earn money, I hope you add me well, because if you do, they are not going to pay you for that. The third thing is that you should not post a content that belongs to other content creators. Everything about the international business account, it should be original. Everything should be 100% legit. It's not copyright, taking video from another content creator, putting it onto your own platform. It's bad. Also, do not do it. If you do it, they are not going to pay you. Make sure you are authentic, original, and keep posting your own authentic videos. For promote, you have access to promote whatever you want to promote. If you want, you can promote your followers, your viewers, your engagement. Also, you have access to receiving money for the content that you put up there. But mind you, you have to post a video that is longer than 1 minute if you want to earn money. The bad aspect is that you should have at least 10,000 followers. Not only that, secondly, you should have 100,000 views for the past 30 days. It's all about business, so you have to take it serious. So if something that you are interested in, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, like the video, leave a comment. This will help YouTube to push my video to more people who are interested in learning how to create an international TikTok account. Support me as I'm supporting you now. This is the only thing that you are going to do for me. Follow my new TikTok international account. The link is in the comment section below. Please like this video, leave a comment, and share to a friend who want to learn this. Tell them about my channel, Freedom's Personal Blog, also Instagram, Freedom's Personal Blog. For my new TikTok account, the link is in the comment section below. Make sure you follow, you subscribe. Whatever question you have, just leave it in the comment section below.